Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, now we are into the middle of the April month and today it is time to visit our this net house and see what all activities are going on and how our crops are doing. So let us take a small round and see what all crops are doing. So let us now take a round. We'll start from this left corner as usual, and from the extreme left in this pole line we have point guard vines all over. So point guard vines we are supposed to trellis, but due to the lack of manpower we are not able to do it. But you can see that new flowering has started and the point guard is also setting it up. Now we need to quickly do the trellising for getting the good yield. Moving further, this apple line, you can see that very good growth of the apple tree. It is developing all sprouts also. So some of the apple tree have not developed enough of the branches. So we will do some notching and pruning work through this to get the good development of the branches also. So right now they are settled. We will start this activity once the moisture into air coming up. Here, the next pole line, we have planted some zucchini. Now they have grown well. You can see the healthy growth of the plant. And with that, the flowering has already started. These are mainly the male flower. Now in a few days, it will get the female flower also. And we will able to harvest some zucchini from these lines. Moving further, we have here the Rajma lines and the Moong lines. Here is the Rajma lines over here. And here you can see this flowering and fruit pod setting is already started. So this Rajma is setting the new pods. And we are soon going to get, after 15-20 days, we are going to harvest this for the beans. Moving further to the next lines, here is the tomato line, and then with that tomato line, we have some bitter gourd also. So these are two varieties of the bitter gourd, and we are regularly harvesting it, but you can see that some of them left and dried. So we need to remove them to get the good harvest of the bitter gourd again and again. So we'll correct this line for the good bitter gourd harvesting. Moving further, these are the plum, and you can see the sprouting in the plum trees as well. We have planted all these fruit lines with the Rajma, means the French beans, and intermediate we have Moong beans. So we are going to have the Moong beans on the pitch in between, and the line with this tree lines is the French beans. Now here in this pole line we have tomato. You can see the tomato is setting in this summer, the mid of the summer. The tomatoes are setting and still, but the leaves are little curling because it is watering is less. So we are going to add some more drip line into this and have a more watering soon. So they will grow good. Here you can see the very healthy growth of the Moong line also. So this is the pattern we have done. Now moving further, these are the persimmon, and persimmon you can see the very healthy growth. The branching is also happening. So persimmon is flowering also somewhere. So we are hoping some fruit will be set this season. We'll keep only one fruit into the persimmon, not more per plant. Now moving further, these are again the tomato line. Similar results are there. So the leaf curling is there. We have already added a drip line. We just need to connect it and give more water to this tomato line. Moving further, again there is a pattern of all this tree line with the Rajma or this French bean, and all the alternate line is with the Moong. Here you can see again a line with the tomato. So here also the tomato is growing well. And with that, you can see a lot of tomato is setting and leaf is curling, so water need to be added over here too. Moving further, again the French bean and the Moong line, and here we have some of the fenugreek, and with that we have a brinjal. So brinjal, you can see the plants are flowering, fruiting, we are harvesting, and fenugreek is little dried up, so we need to remove. And moving further, next line, again with the setup of the French bean Moong. With that we have a watermelon. So watermelon is now at the flowering stage, you can see, and soon we are hoping some watermelon will set into these lines. Moving further, you can see the very healthy growth of the mung, and here you can see the okra. So okra line is now mature, and you can see the flowering and the bud is setting. So soon we are going to harvest okra from this line also. So this is the okra. So we have brinjal, tomato, okra, bitter gourd as a vegetable crop. Moving further, again this is a line with the fruit trees, and here I will show you something. So this is a pear. The one pear is set on this fruit tree. Although the tree is not so big, but we are going to keep one as a trial, so we'll understand how the fruiting and size will occur. Most of the fruit will take next season. Only one fruit we are going to take this season. Moving further, again these are the pear trees doing good. And as you enter into the last line, here we have our all the dragon fruits, and all the dragon fruits are interplanted with this sun hemp. You can see the sun hemp now is flowering. They are almost at the 40 days, and you can see the healthy growth of the sun hemp. With that, all the sun hemp is flowering. Now it is time to cut them down and use it as a mulch, or we can mix it into the soil. So our soil texture will improve, soil nourishment will improve. So here are the sun hemp, and the in between line we have all this dragon fruit. So with dragon fruit we need to trellis. So this is all what we have grown into the small area of this net house. We have planted this summer season with all the legume crop, the French bean and the mung bean, so that our soil get nourished well with the nitrogen. And then in the next month, from the next month, we are going to start planting our other vegetables. So after getting the soil enriched, we'll get the good result into vegetable growing also. So friends, how do you like my growing organic vegetable into this net house? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you are also interested in growing vegetables, do some planning, do the net house, and continually nurture your soil with the crop rotation and grow many vegetables with the protected cultivation that will save your crop from many of the insects and the animals, and get the good yield. Happy growing!